Hi there, and welcome back. In this video, we will create a template so that you can easily calculate standard costs. If you haven't seen our other video on standard costing, be sure to check the description for a link to that video. Now, before we get started, we will be using Google Sheets to find and build our template and a sum formula. If you're not familiar with Google Sheets, you can visit another link in the description to learn more about this powerful tool. Okay, let's get started. Now, we've already got our sheet set up to number using a row formula, and we've frozen the top row to keep things organized when we are scrolling. As we learned in previous videos, there are three elements of standard costing: direct labor, direct materials, and manufacturing or variable overhead. With that in mind, we need to create some labels that contain the three elements of standard costs. Our first label will be direct labor, next, direct materials, and finally, manufacturing or variable overhead. The final label we will add is the label we will use for standard costs. Now, before we begin our standard cost formula, you may want to clean up your sheet a bit and organize it the way that you like. You may be using it a lot after this. Now, we're ready to start. As we learned in our previous standard cost video, we calculate standard costs by adding direct labor, direct materials, and variable or manufacturing overhead together. To do this, we will use a sum formula. Let's get started with an equal sign to begin our formula. Then we will type in SUM with an open bracket and highlight our cells containing direct labor, materials, and overhead. Then we'll close our bracket and you will see that a 0 pops up. Next, we will grab our completed formula, copy it, and highlight the entire column where standard costing is and paste the formula all the way down. Then replace your label on the top only, and now you have a simple template that you can input your direct labor, direct materials, and variable or manufacturing overhead in, and automatically calculate your standard costs. Remember, Google Sheets can be reformatted as currency, time, or just basic numbers, and many other ways too. So, if you want to reformat it, please feel free to. Also, this template is available by clicking on the link in the description, so you can build it if you want or save a little bit of time and visit our website. We hope you enjoy this easy standard costing template using a sum formula, and we'll see you in the next video.